Hey creators and entrepreneurs, welcome to another video of NetroFlex. So today's tool I created was a media library for my business intelligence platform. And so basically how to access it is once you're in your dashboard, you want to click on this menu bar and scroll down to where it says assets, and you want to click on media library. And here you'll be able to see all the images that you upload to your library. And so in order how it works is you just click the upload button, choose a media image. The image gets uploaded. As you can see, you're clicking the image. You can also rename the file image. So we're just going to call it image 1. You can add metadata for SEO. So this is not good metadata right here that I'm typing. So I'm just giving you an example of whatever you want to come up with. You can even add alt text. And then you can even give your image a description. And then press save. The image gets saved. You can copy the URL. And here's an example of the image URL. It's going to give it to you in this format. Okay, so that is a format there you can use if you ever want to use images in your forms. Another way, you can also just put it in your browser and see the image appears in your browser. So let's go back to the media library. Let's say you don't, you're going to refresh to see your image. You can actually have images in your trash can. So that works. You can even create a folder, or we can go back to images again, and we can even delete the image that we just uploaded. So to delete the image, you'll see 3 little dots in the upper right hand corner. Just move it to trash. Click on trash. As you can see, there's the image. So that completes the image library, the media library. So we are good. You can even create folders. Also, like new folders, you can group your images and whatnot. So thank you for watching.